guys, it's Miss Zinke. Did you know AR Bookfinder was on your Launchpad class link page? It is. And if you haven't used that, that could be something that'll help you find an AR quiz number for your book, or if it's even an AR book. So go in here, tell them who you are. You'll be a student. I'm a librarian. And you put in the book that you are looking for. So I'm going to do a quick search for, let's see, let's do the Breakaways. Breakaways. And I'm going to do a search, and the first one that comes up is it, the Breakaways. And it'll show me the quiz number right here. And this is the quiz number for an English. It's 1 point. It tells me the reading level. It tells me a little bit about the book. If I want to know more information, I'm gonna copy this first because I want to be able to paste it into my AR page so I can take a quiz on it. And if you click on that, it gives you more information, like how many words are in it and what kind of book it is. It's a graphic novel. And then all the different kinds of it, but we don't have to worry about that. So that's how you can search for a book on here. Now there might be some books where you're going to have to put some more information than just normal. So if you're putting in a book like Mars, you're going to get a lot of different things on Mars. So you might have to do some searching to see if it's the Mars that you read. Because there's Mars, 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 and it goes on for 24 pages. So, if you want to find this Mars, his last name, Quinn's last name is Arnold. So we're going to put in here Mars and then the author with a space, Arnold. And let's see if we get a better result. We do, and it's the first one that comes up. It's a book on Mars by Arnold, and that's the one. So I can take that quiz number and copy and paste it. And that's how you use AR Bookfinder.